You know how there are some books that come into your life at exactly the time that you need them to come? The book that I'm going to review today, Tuesdays with Maury, is one such book that a lot of people would attest to is something that brings you perspective and gratefulness in life. And when I read it, when it came into my life, it certainly did provide the much needed gratefulness I needed at that time. And let's get into it. Although it is a simple story, but it holds profound lessons about life, love, and what really matters in life. Today, I want to share why this little book made such a big difference in my life and why this might just change the way you view this world too. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. This is Pooja at A Book by the Window. I hope you guys are doing good. I hope you guys are reading good. Don't mind my makeshift mic situation today. I really needed an extension. My hands get kind of tired when I'm holding my little mic. I hope you don't find it too distractive, and even if you do, I can't help you. I'm sorry, you have to look at this video this way. Without further ado, let's get into the video. At first glance, this book Tuesdays with Maury is about the relationship between the student Mitch and his college professor Maury. Maury is nearing the end of his life after being diagnosed with ALS. On the other hand, Mitch, who is caught up in his business of life, a future that he wants to create for himself and his career, reconnect with Maury after seeing him on television giving an interview. What follows are weekly meetings on Tuesdays where Maury shares his insight about life, death, and everything in between. The most beautiful part of the book is Maury's lesson itself. What struck me the most was how simple and mundane these lessons are. They are not overly complicated. They are not some grand philosophy. They are the truths that we so often forget in the busyness of the lives that we live, in the ambition that we harbor within ourselves. I'm not blaming Mitch. I'm not blaming Maury. I'm not saying we don't do it. We often get ahead of ourselves when we are very ambitious and we forget what is really important to us. It is very important to reconvene and revisiting the things that really do matter to you, because life will pass you by and you will be just left with regrets if you do not look deeper. And that has happened with me over and over again. I try to strike a balance between my ambition and the things that should really matter and that will bring me joy in the long run. And this book is a powerful reminder. Maury's lessons are a powerful reminder of those little things. Maury talks about the value of love, how we should embrace aging, and most importantly, how death isn't something to fear but accept as the truth of life. As Maury says, the most important thing in life is to learn how to give that love and to let it come in. That's one of Maury's most important lessons, and it's something that I have thought about a lot ever since I read this book. How often do we get wrapped up in our career, our goals, that we so often forget the simple act of just being present with the people that we love. Reading this book had a profound effect on me also. It made me stop and think about my own life, my relationship, my friendships, the relationship that I have with myself, and the relationship that I try to harbor at work, with my career and my ambition. Everything came into perspective. I have been the victim of this mentality, being caught up in the hustle of life. But Maury's lessons are a gentle reminder that every day is important. Spending time with the people that you love every single day is important. And what really matters, what will stay beyond our existence, is the love and care and the warmth that we show to the people that we love, that they were able to show to us. And in the end, nothing really matters but love. Reading this book was also like a conversation with an old friend who just wants to remind you to not get ahead of yourself and keep looking deeper within yourself for the things that you find joy in. It's easy to just be a part of the rat race, be a cog in the wheel, be running after things that will not bring you joy in the long run. But it is very important to sit with an old friend and reconvene and regroup your ideas about how you should be living your life. You'll find that the writing of the book is very easy and conversational, which makes the book incredibly easy to read. I routinely feature this one in books that beginners should read because of its writing style. It is something that anyone can pick up. It's not very hard on your brain, it's not very hard on your reading abilities. So of course this is a very thin 200 pages book with very easy to read conversational style, and even then you will find yourself being more impacted by it, you'll find yourself being inspired by it, you will find yourself taking something home at the end of the day, even with its easy and thin writing. The simplicity of the book doesn't mean that it lacks any depth. The themes of life, death, and love are very beautifully woven in the conversation that Mitch and Maury are having with each other. It isn't a book that just tells you to go out there and live your best life, it tells you to live right now in very simple words that you will be able to register and keep with yourself for years to come. So, should you read Tuesdays with Maury by Mitch Albom? Definitely yes. As I said, it's not just a book about self-help or motivational quotes. It doesn't feel like a memo, rather it feels like a conversation that you're having with a friend. It feels like a talk that you need in your life ever so often. And there have been times that in my life personally I feel things are getting very heavy, things are getting very hard. So these are the books that you go back to, you read a few pages, the pages that you underlined when you first read them, and you maybe revisit the things that you were thinking when you were reading, but also form a different opinion because you see your life growing, you see your life evolving, you see yourself evolving. But taking these lessons as tenets and as reminders of how you should be grateful for the things that you have in your life, and also keep looking at places and people who really matter to you, is what truly will bring you joy in the long run. And why would you not want a book in your life? It is also a very popular book for the same reason. It gives you a perspective from the place of someone who is at the end of their life, and they seem to be grateful for the life that they have lived, rather be sad and gloomy about parting this body. It is a celebration of life and everything that makes it meaningful. It's the kind of book that you would want to revisit when lives get overwhelming. Maury's wisdom is timeless, it is still relevant years, decades after this book was written. And it is a very strong reminder that even in our busiest of times, we can find some time to find connection with our loved ones, our friends, our family, and more importantly, with ourselves. If you're someone who have already read this book or would like to read this book, let me know in the comment section below. What do you think about it? And for the people who already read this book, do you attest, do you agree to my experience of reading this book? Did you also find this book impactful in your life? And did you also found something to take home? Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please like it, share it with your friend, subscribe to the channel. If you are an old viewer, I honestly appreciate your support. We are growing so fast and I'm also having a lot of fun making these videos, making review videos while I'm at home. I could also find some books in the background that I could review, so I'm gonna post a picture of all the books that I have at home in India so that you can take a look. If you want some books to be reviewed by me, I am more than happy to pick it up. I am going to post that picture on my Instagram. My Instagram is linked in the description box below. If you're a new person who just stumbled upon my videos, hi there, welcome to the channel. I make book related videos here. I also have a main channel that's going to be linked in the description box below. Go check it out, check everything out. I make awesome stuff. That's what I'm going to sell today. But with that said, I hope you subscribe to the channel for more fun stuff about books. If you want to know more about my life, I have a main channel. You can go look there. I also have an Instagram. All of it is going to be linked in the description box below. And with that said, I'll see you guys next time. Thank you for tuning in today. And if you like the video, as I said, like it, share it, subscribe it with your friends. I will see you guys next time. Until then, happy reading.